Most building owners operate from the break-fix playbook. Something breaks and then an HVAC service company comes out to fix it. Hopefully, the service company fixes the problem. Otherwise, they'll be back to work on your system again. And each visit costs you money. This leads to a conflict of interest, where the contractor is rewarded when your system fails. Now, getting rewarded for failure doesn't make much sense to us, so we've eliminated this conflict of interest by creating partnerships based on shared values. Instead of waiting for something to go wrong, we're rewarded for extending the lifespan of your HVAC system. At QuesTec, we give you peace of mind through the QuesTec Guarantee program. With this innovative program, we provide end-to-end service for one price.